Hello everyone, it's October 10th and this is Randy Wallace, broker in charge at Keller Williams Innovate South here in Myrtle Beach. I'm going to give you a quick little market update with some tough news, some good news, and a positive perspective that I hope that you'll take with you from this. If nothing else, you'll take that with you. Hey guys, the market here in October was really looking through August this year. The market continues to be a little bit weak. It's been weaker for all of 23 and 24, and yet we're starting to see some signs of improvement. But the inventory is up. The inventory is up in single-family homes. There are more available now and less pending sales, so that's not a good sign. You have less pendings in the single-family market right now. New listings are down a little bit, which is okay. Pending sales were up in August, but they seem to be back down now in September, October. Closed sales were down 1.5%. This is year over year from 23 to 24. Days on the market is about the same. Median price is down a little bit. Average sales price down a little bit, like 1%, not very much. And the affordability index, though, the good news for that, for both single family and condos, the affordability index is up, and that's due to interest rates dropping and prices dropping. So we're seeing some more affordability, so that can get people in the market, looks for better things ahead. Homes for sale are up in single family, and there's a little bit more, about another half a month supply in single family. In the condo market, looking from 23 to 24, we see that listings are down, pending sales are down, closed sales are down. The days on market is up. That means it's taking longer to sell. It's taking 20 more days, and took 20 more days in August of 24 than it did in August of 23. So that's not a good thing. And the sales price is down. Median sales price down 7.5%. Average sales price down 3% through August. So those were not good things. But the affordability index again is up 17% with condos. So what we see for that is that the market is starting to respond, and we're seeing it just in the day-to-day sales here in the office. The market is starting to respond to some lower interest rates, more financing activity, and hopefully in the next few months we can clean things up a little bit. But what that tells me is the same thing we've been saying for really the past year, is that this fourth quarter of this year is a great time to go out and buy and make some offers. There's property out there that's been sitting on the market. Again, prices are down a little bit and interest rates came down, so it's a good time to go buy, because sometime, if not in the first quarter of 24 and 25, certainly I think by the second quarter, you're going to see more of a positive impact with those lower interest rates, lower prices, and people buying. And so your opportunity for a buying opportunity is really in the next 3 to 6 months. For sellers, yes, there's some neighborhoods doing great, and neighborhood by neighborhood, you might be in a hot area and can still sell it very quickly. But overall, in some areas, you might want to consider waiting a few months and then putting your property on the market at first of the year, because not only is the market responding to the interest rates dropping, but historically markets respond positively to getting past an election. So we have a big election this year, and this is part of the positive perspective that I want to give to everybody today to end with, is that in 9 out of the last 11 elections, and I've seen this pretty much every year since that I can remember, at least, and from my time in the market here since 1977. You get past an election, everybody realizes, hey, the world didn't end, the world didn't fall apart because my person wasn't elected. So no matter who if you're out there thinking the sky's going to fall because your person has to be elected, that's not going to happen. And people get back on to business and get back to their jobs and understand, well, I got to move on, and they start buying again, start selling again. So no matter who you're pulling for, don't worry about it. There's only one person in charge, and that's God. God's in charge. He's going to get elected whoever He wants elected at this time, and that's going to happen no matter what we do. Go out and vote, do your thing. But remember, I've made money with Republicans. I've lost money with Republicans. I've made money when Democrats are in power. I've lost money when Democrats are in power. The economy has its own way. It's going to do its own thing. Again, God is in charge. You don't need to worry. Let's get on with life. So take that with you. Don't fret, but go vote. Go vote and just trust and have faith. God is working all things out the way He plans to do it. Y'all go have a positive day, and thank you for tuning in.